girl, I forgot all about this video because Adam had to take a personal day, and so I was like, oh, I'll take over Monday. And then we had no classes today, so I was like, it's Sunday. Except it's not Sunday, it's Monday. And I promised that I would do my video today. Except, one, I forgot it was Monday, and two, I forgot I said I would do a video on Monday. So it would have been a fail even if I knew it was Monday because I forgot until I just looked at Facebook. So this is fun. I have not gone on a road trip. This week is road trip week, or like not in your bedroom week. So I think what's going to happen is that I'm going to post my video on Sunday of me actually venturing out into the world because I didn't do that today. I did not even leave. I did not even leave this apartment because it was a long weekend. It was. I went to see 2 concerts this weekend. One was free, and it was on Saturday night, and then I went to one yesterday that was Sunday night. It was not free, it was $15, but there were 3 acts. And the first one was Tall Heights, and they were great. And then the second one was the Jackson Weatherby Band. They were also great. And then was Barefoot Truth, which I've never seen them before. And so I was like, oh, well, this will be fun because I don't know any of the bands performing tonight, so I won't know anything about anything that's going on. Barefoot Truth put on the best live show I've ever seen in my life, and I did not know one song, and it didn't matter because it was amazing. And now I've bought a lot of their music and spent a lot of money that I don't have on music of theirs because they're so good. I'm gonna link a video of theirs maybe in the little underbar thing because these ones that are on here just take too much fucking time. But I'm gonna link them in the underbar, and I think I also put a video of theirs on my Twitter, so if you're on my Twitter you should go look at it. And then that's how, yep, that's what we'll do. Okay, so I'm gonna go because I look disgusting. And you can't tell, hopefully, because this is an HD, and also I have the glasses, which I think creates a barrier from the ugly and you not seeing each other. So that, yep, okay, I'll see you later.